Hello, traders. I greet you. My name is Okoyeocha from the land of the rising sun. Today is 18th day of November 2023. I'm going to give you the weekly forex analysis based on Elliott Wave, advanced method of Elliott Wave. Okay, so as I always do, I want to remind you about the scammers roaming around the internet trying to lure people to their scam sites. Remember, to make money in forex is not easy. So if you want to make money, you need to learn. Those who promise to make it easy for you will end up scamming you. You will lose more and more. Okay, having said that, if this is the first time you are watching my video, please like, share, subscribe. Okay, I also have students class. Those who I teach, if you want to learn from me, you give me a private message. You will see my number. The number is on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Okay, so having said that, let's dive into the business. DSY is where I always start. Okay, now what I'm looking for on DSY, remember I showed you this. Now it has traded. I'm looking for DSY to pull back in 3 waves. Then after that, it will go down again. Then after this, maybe I will update you whether it will go up to make a new high or it will correct and go down again. So that DSY, we're showing you DSY. So let's go to USD. It is always opposite of DXY. Okay, you can see USD. We are looking for a pullback again to give us another move high. Okay, so let's focus on this. The market can still go a bit higher before going down. Remember, this is an order block on 4 hours. We might see the price entering the order block or even go a bit higher than it, then and begin to go down. So now I'm trying to say, if you don't have an existing long position on EURUSD, don't open one now. We expect it to go down before buying again. Same goes to DSY. If you don't have short open on DSY, don't just open short now. Leave it to correct before you now go short. Okay, so next, USDCAD. USDCAD is somewhat USDCAD is somehow making a confusing structure, or let me say complex structure. Last week, my focus is this and it's still the same. So I'm seeing this as an ending diagonal, this move. Okay, so because this is wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3. I'm looking for something like this to give me wave 5. But if the price drop to this zone, maybe the structure will change. But as of now, I'm looking for it to go up to give me wave 5 here. Then it will become a perfect ending diagonal. Before then we'll see the pullback before buying again. But as it stands now, it's like we're gonna get an ABC before buying. And if you get an ABC, I will check whether it will still be an end diagonal or another type of structure. So let me show you the daily. Let me show you the daily charts to help you understand more what is happening. So remember, after this drop, I now focus on buying. So whatever is happening here is wave 1. Whether it will end here or it will still go up, it will be wave 1 of a bigger move. So that's it. USDCHF. Looking at this this structure, it seems we're gonna get a new low, but you know, daily charts won't be the only parameters to check the market. Either we get a new low or we get a kind of A, B, C, then another move, then another move. So let's just go to our time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, last week I showed you this chart that this drop gonna happen, and it happened exactly where I pointed out. Now I'm looking for a 3 waves move up, then another drop. Now the 3 waves move up may start now, or it may still go lower, something like this place, before going up. Whichever way, it's not time to sell. I closed my sell order when the price was here. Okay, so what I will do is I will look for buy setup or lower time frame, maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour. Then I will sell it, I will buy it with smaller lot size. Then when I will sell again, I will sell with my normal lot size. So watch out for this drop, this correction, and this drop. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. Let me show you daily again. It's important. Pounds USD. And if you take a look at this structure, it's clear that we're gonna have an A, B, C. So we're gonna make a lot of drop here, maybe 2,000 pips or thereabouts. So just watch out for the selling. It's gonna happen. I don't see any other thing that will happen if not this ABC. So that's for daily charts. Let's take a look at 4 hours. So now 4 hours, we make it easier for us. The structure is not so complex for those who know how to count waves. So either we get the price, move to the reversal zone, or it can give us an A, B, C before going to the reversal zone. I don't think that here is the reversal zone. I don't think that from here it will go down. It's possible, but I don't expect that. So I'm looking for either it go up from here or give me an A, B, C, then go up again before dropping. So it will be a simple and easy trade, but you need to be patient and allow it to go to the reversal zone before selling. Let's go to AUDUSD. AUDUSD is another pair that is trying to give us a kind of headache. So let me show you daily. Now remember, the markets have been playing some tricks when it arrived this zone, okay? But if you don't want to miss this trade, this big trade will happen, but the price, the point is when will it begin to happen? Now, 2 things is involved. Either this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. If we get a sharp move again up to this zone, then I will forget about this move. But for now, I'm expecting it to go down before this big move. So let me go to 4 hours to make it clearer. So based on 4 hours, what we have here is that the price may give us a bigger ABC, ABC before selling. Okay, but if this price breaks this trend line, it will no longer be an ABC. It will become 1, 2, 3. Then I look for 4. Then I will buy 5. But this is what I'm looking for. The price that will drop from here before buying. That's my own bias. You are free to follow your own bias. But what I see is what I'm showing you. Remember the popular saying that says, don't trade what you think, trade what you see. So I've been thinking that after this place, we will get a sharp move. But this drop changed everything. This drop changed everything. So that's why you trade what you see. So when I see this drop, I change my bias from this to this. Using the USD, same thing, the same situation. So I don't have to waste my time on explaining again. But I can only tell you that I see nothing but what we call expanding flat, A, B, C. So I'm looking for the price to come up to this zone, then drop. Either it will drop to this place or it will just drop a bit, then before buying again. But I'm looking for sell around this zone. That's the only thing I can tell you on this. That is around 61.5. I'm looking for sell. Okay, so that's for using the USD. So the buying is what I'm looking for. I'll enter buy. If I check buy setup, if buy setup is valid on 1 hour, I will buy because it's still a big move to the up before it will drop. JP225. JP225. What do we have there? I will think daily will help us better. On daily, you can see I showed you all these weeks ago. We are now going higher. Though we are yet to break this zone anyway, but we're gonna break it. Is it straightforward? I think we're gonna have pullback. So for that, let's go to 4 hours. So as you can see, the market is changing shape. The shape is changing. Maybe we're gonna get a kind of ending diagonal. Then market make something like this. Something like this before buying again. So market doesn't move in a straight line. You're gonna get a kind of, it's gonna go down before buying again. Don't get me wrong, it may still go higher a bit before going down. So don't just enter sell because I said it's gonna go down. No, you must confirm any position before you buy or sell. If you don't know the areas of confirmation, then you need to learn. Stop losing your money in guessing. Market is not guessing. Some of us who are mastered structures can still make losses. How much more those who are guessing? So you don't need to be guessing. Enter a class and learn from me or from anybody who can teach you well. Okay, so that's JP225. EURJPY. Yeah, I caught up on it. Oh my God. USDPY. USDPY. What do we expect? I need daily. Let's take a look at daily. So see whether we have anything there. JPY yen pairs have been a kind of yen pairs have been difficult to trade this time around. Keep going one direction, keep going and moving and going and keep buying and buying and buying. So, okay, it doesn't matter. Some days are like that in the trade. Okay, so anytime, any moment from now, you're gonna get a price to drop. Maybe it can drop to this channel before buying again, but that's not the point. I think I'll go down to the lower time frame 4 hours to make my point. So now, the reason I want to go down to lower 4 hours is this. This seems to be wave 1, then wave 2, then wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5 up here before we get an ABC. So though we can go down, this can be wave 5. It's possible this is wave 5, but I think wave 5 is gonna be up somewhere up there. If this is wave 5, it means this is wave 3, this is wave 4, this is wave 5. But I don't buy this idea. So now I'm looking for this move, this move, this move before this move. Okay, I will monitor it on 1 hour time frame. If you join my Telegram channel, you will likely benefit when I will share the sell setup. USDJPY. I'm gonna USDJPY. Okay, all the yen pairs are pretty stop on this time around. Remember, I shared this. If this breaks, it means selling is about to happen. But one funny thing is that when this channel broke, I sell. Okay, let me show you what happened to my trades during this week on USDJPY. You know, I've been out of the opinion that we get a very big drop on USDJPY, but the drop is delaying. See, one thing is sure, we're gonna get a huge drop. We're gonna get a huge drop, but when will it start? I don't know. I don't know. But now, I sold when on 1 hour time frame. There was a setup around here. I sold. The market dropped. I was thinking I would get a simple correction to sell again. So I moved myself loss to break even around here. The market just closed my break even stop loss. I mean, I just closed with a little profit and begin to go down again. So markets can do anything, can try to frustrate you, but if you're not the structure, if you lose in this one, you look for another opportunity. Opportunity doesn't end in market. So my profit was cut short here, but guess what? I will sell again when we get ABC because I'm looking for WXY. So the profit that cut short from here, I will keep it from here. Simple. When you know the structure, see, when you know the structure, all this labeling doesn't matter. I label this just to know where the market is going or where the market is. Secondly, for those who like to see labeling, if I open my MT5, you won't see any labeling because I don't need them. Pounds JPY, something similar, but on Pounds JPY, I think we're not gonna see a new high. Right now, I don't expect a new high on Pounds JPY because it seems to be a complete structure. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for A, B, C. It can go as high as this place before selling, but I don't think we're going to get a new high. If we get it, no problem, but I'll be looking for sell. Once the market gives me a structure, something similar to this around here, then I begin to look for sell setup. Simple. I can be right, I can be wrong, but I follow what I see on the chart. That's what matters. Let us go to gold. Gold, what do we have on gold? I'll show you daily chart on gold. Gold and silver, platinum. There are three keys this time around. When you don't go to higher time frames in the market, you may be making a big mistake. So now, looking at gold on daily time frame. So this is wave one. This move is wave one of a bigger move. Then this is wave A. This is wave B. I'm looking for wave C. So now I'm still looking for gold to drop to 1920, 1910, 1900, even 1890. So now let me, then mind you, there's another possibility on gold. Mind you, we can have we can have, this can be with W. Then we can have something like this. And this become A, B, then we have C, and another move down. That is W, X, Y. It's possible. Don't just presume that gold is no longer going down. It's possible, but I'm not going there. When it's going to happen, we see it. If it doesn't happen, we see it. So now let's go to 4 hours to push what we explaining. So now, in as much that this wave B is not an ideal wave B, I like to trade, but I have no option to see it as wave B. I don't know how else I will see it. To me, it's wave B. I will only see it as wave B when it goes above this place. Then it will no longer be wave B for me. Maybe I can say that this is wave A, this is wave B, this is wave C. But for now, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is wave A to me. So this is wave B, no matter how the shape is. So what am I trying to say? Gold is selling, and the selling have started, but not confirmed yet, unless you go lower to 1 hour. But I don't want to go lower to 1 hour anyway. Let's go to silver. Silver, you have similar situation, but silver is somehow clearer than gold in terms of structure. Silver, anyway, not even clearer than gold, because if you take a look at this, if you take a look at this base structure on daily, it seems it is making 3 waves. For instance, it seems to be making an A, B, C, which can result in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is W, X, Y. So anything can still happen on silver and gold. Don't rule out C. We can see silver down to 19, 18. It can still happen. Don't just presume we are now going to 26, 27, 28. So that's why it's good to analyze all the structures, especially daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, weekly sometimes. But I would be going down to 1 hour. It takes our time. So now, what I was showing you on daily is still also visible on 4 hours. Take a look at this. I don't like this structure. I don't like this structure. See, this is wave 1, 2, 3. I don't like this structure being wave 4. It's too off to the structure. Had it been that the wave 4, the 4 is here, then if this is 5, I can simply say that this is an ABC, and we are now going higher. Unless there's what we call truncation. This can be wave 5 as truncated. Then this is B wave 2. It means wave 1, wave 2, then we are going. But as I said earlier, we can be getting an A, B, C. That is 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves. And if it happens as an ABC, we're going to go down to 19, 18. take note of that. But now let's focus on where we are going. After this move, I'm looking for A, B, C at least. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna sell this anyway. Buy this. Then I will check whether we are getting this or we are getting A, B, C, and up. So Elliott Wave is sweet when you master it. It was very sweet. Okay, so let's go to platinum. Platinum has been one of the sweetest trades. The structure, everything, just very easy to follow. And I show you every bit of it. I'll show you every bit of this. So I don't even have to be wasting my time here again. Let me just go to 4 hours. Even this drop, I show you now. I show you again. Watch out for this drop, then this buy. That's all I can show you on platinum. What I want to say on platinum, if you have a buy, move it to stop to break even, or you close it, it will sell for now, then it will buy again. Don't know what context to tell you on that. USOIL. Remember last, I don't know whether it was during the weekend. I mean, during the midweek, I think, when this happened, I'm going to see this maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as leading diagonal, because we have an adversarial zone in this place. Okay, but instead of making an A, B, C and buying it, drop further. So that time I said here is confirmation. This is why it's good to have confirmation before you buy. Had it been that I buy on presumption, I would have lost. But I was waiting for it to break this before I will buy. Rather, it dropped. So what I'm going to do now, I watch out for a correction. Then either I buy from here or I will buy stock from here. Free lesson. Okay, that's oil. I think now it's time for indices. SP 500. Let's go to SP 500. I'm gonna go to this place. NASDAQ US 100. NASDAQ. What am I expecting? I want to see this. I don't want to label it because I don't like the structure. That's why I don't want to label it. But it is 1 running flat. This is 2. This is 1. This is 2. Then this is 3. Expanding flat. This is 4. Then this is 1, 2, 3. This is 4 again. This is 5. So after a new high, I'll be looking for A, B, C. Then let me show you again. Today I'm just giving free lessons today. It's your luck that you are watching this daily. Okay, I have broken the recent high. Nevertheless, okay, I think it's a weekly. Never you ignore a higher time frame. Never you ignore a higher time frame. Why am I showing you this weekly chart? Sorry, I'm talking about this is US 100, please. Why I'm showing you this weekly chart? If you don't get a close above this high, that's 16,765. Or let's say if we don't see 1700, we can still get this drop. It's possible until we see it above this zone. So that's why you always check out on higher time frame. If you don't, you may be going blindly without knowing it. So that's for that. Let's go back to 4 hours. So now let's focus on this, and this. Thank you. SP 500. SP 500. There's something. There's something here again. Let me give you another lesson again. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is an incomplete sequence. As far as it is a correction. Correction cannot be 5 waves. So if this is 5 waves, as I'm talking about, then I was looking for an A, B, C to sell again, but it went up very straight. Now, can this be with B? It can. Sometimes it happens like that, but this is not a corrective structure. With B is a corrective structure, but sometimes I've seen this type of with B or with 2 or with 4 on yen pays and some other pays. So what I'm trying to say, this can be can really be with A. As long as we haven't gotten above 46.12, we can get this type of drop again. Except this is with A. Then this will be a running flat as with B. Then this is with C. That's the two possibilities. A running flat, B. That is C. Then we can now get 1, 2, 3 up. So another lesson today. Now, so let me remove this. Let us assume that this is a running flat. Then, if that is the case, then A, B, C, then buy. So now focus on selling on 1 hour time frame. Get it, sell it when it's a confirmed selling. US30. Today's video is a bit lengthy, but it's my own good. But I give you three lessons, so you're supposed to appreciate it. Okay, so now US30, the structure. This seems to be a running flat. That is impulse. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, then C. So if you get this, it becomes A, B, C. But for now, just as I explained on SP 500, we can this can be this with A to me. So this can be with B, just as I explained, unless it goes above this place. If not, it can be with B. You can begin to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again to give us with C. It's possible. We keep watching to know how it develops. So think nothing again to show at this place. So after all this move, at least we're gonna after this move, we need to have 3 waves move back. A, B, C before buying again. But to confirm you are entering, let us break this low. I'll go down to 1 hour and check for a lower low before you now buy sell. Okay, let me show you down. Let me also show you down. I don't normally show it, but let me show it today. The same situation. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So they're all doing the same thing. So if one of them begins to go down, others will go. If you don't see a move higher to this zone, that's 5, 6, 8, 6, then we're gonna get a new low. So that's all. I permit me to squeeze in crypto say because I don't want to make that. Okay, anyway, at the end of this video, I'll make cryptos differently. Thank you for watching. You will see links in my bio for my Telegram channel WhatsApp channel, but I focus on Telegram. WhatsApp, I don't go there every day. Join my Telegram channel for free. Unless you want to learn from me, you pay little money, I add you to the students channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.